Ito lang naman yung ginawa natin kanina sa shoot. Kasi umataw lang. Di ba? Ang kalat. Huwag tularan. Ang kalat.
So what is up everyone, this is Jasper Lawan. We're watching Cinematic Creative. So today we're here at QC, somewhere in QC, I don't know. So kasama natin si Brent tsaka si JKS. Dito kami sa isang abandoned place and sobrang ganda ng location. Sobrang panalo, sobrang music video worthy. Ditong lugar, I mean Brent, JKS, saan nyo ba nakikita tong lugar na to? Sobrang panalo. Dumiretso muna kami kanina sa Anchor Point. Dumiretso ako sa Anchor Point para i-meet sila. In fact, this is the first time that I met Brent. Sobrang bait at sobrang accommodating na person. And napakaganda ng studio niya sa Anchor Point Studio. Kaya, I think kailangan yung i-check out yun. And also, ayan, si JKS. JKS! Psst! Please. So ayan, kasama ko si Tito JKS.
Tito JKS.
Si Jix. Ano pangalan ng dalawang mga?
Well, April and Crystal.
Galing nila mag-perform. So, I think dancer sila.
Yeah, member sila ng Dancehall if I'm not mistaken. Dancehall Manila.
So yun, sobrang music video worthy yung
Yeah.
performance sila. Parehas kaya sobrang solid sa pag-invite na
Yes.
yun.
Tsaka solid din yung location. Pinitchit ni Brent.
Napakatindi. Saan nyo ba ito nakikita, men?
Hindi ko alam eh. I mean, nakita na niya lang sa isang music video ng isang like dance routine and then yun.
So
It's
yun.
near his place.
So, napakasaya. Kaya ito, tingnan nyo na lang yung mga nangyayari. Kaya,
Hindi na ako nihon eh.
Okay na.
Okay na. Kiss na. May drama!
So welcome back guys. So ayun, nakita niyo yung video. So bale, dumaan kasi nag-lockdown kasi, nawalan ng projects, maraming na tumigil ang mundo. Matagal ako nung stuck sa bahay. So yung video na yun was the first time that I filmed with friends ever since nung lockdown. Kailangan ko ulit mag-familiarize ng sarili ko on how to shoot on the spot run and gun setup. When JKS told me about their shoot with Brent, umuo ako kagad. So, pinakita ko yung video kay Chrissy. So, Chrissy, what do you think about sa video?
So, first off, ang unang napansin ko dun sa video is yung color treatment. So, basically, yung color treatment mo is a bit iba compared dun sa other videos mo or mga previous videos mo. So, I think that's a good start kasi you're already trying to mix and match the color treatment kasi it's really a good thing actually for me. Then, second, I think yung parang kung paano mo i-direct, I think yung mga models. And you also included the BTS, which is isa na sa mga part na sobrang favorite ko. JKS. Can you see him like that every day? No.
Yeah.
So it's really a fun addition, and seryoso. Is this for a parang MV kaya music video ba?
Well,
Pero
yun yung vibe na kinukuha ko talaga the music video because
well, congrats.
well, kasi the first time that I saw the place, yung location, my first impression was this place was music video worthy. It reminds me of music video ni Justin Bieber ng What Do You Mean? Yung dun sa performance,
yeah.
yung dance part, yung party part. Yung thing na talagang nagpa-buhay sa video for me is their performance because they're professional dancer. And also, if gusto nyo ng parang same vibe, I mean, music video worthy performance sa mga dancer or whatever performers, you have to hire professionals talaga. Like, so, dun sa video kasi natin, nagkataon na yung models nila GKS and Brent is a professional dancer and wala akong idea nung pumunta ako doon nung sa venue. Di ko alam kung sino model, di ko alam kung anong concept, di ko alam kung ano yung location nila. So nung in-invite lang nila ako ni GKS to collab with them, I just say yes because it's been a while. Nakakamiss mag-shoot, nakakamiss mag-prod, so it was super worth it talaga. And yun nga, ang tagal kong natenga, ang tagal walang production shoots. Nagkaroon ako ng mga, roadblocks, parang challenges along the way. First, kung mag-shoot kayo, huwag niyong kalimutan magdala ng pamunas ng lens. Sobrang
Anong experience mo? Bakit hindi kailangan kalimutan magdala ng pamunas ng lens?
So yun nga, kasi kung mapapansin nyo doon sa video, may mga haze eh. I tried my best, believe me. I tried my best na magawa ng paraan yung haze because when I'm filming here at dito sa studio natin, hindi ko naman masyadong napapansin. Pero makita nyo sa video, medyo hazy pa rin. Mausok lang talaga dito sa studio. Pero yun nga, don't forget to bring panlinis ng lens. It's super essential. It's super essential talaga. Kasi yun nga, parang medyo na underestimate ko yung mga mangyayari that day. I thought it was just a casual shoot. Well, it is a casual shoot, pero I never thought na kailangan ko pala mag-take ng extra step pa to make this video more look good. For example, I should bring my gimbal. Kung mapapansin nyo, most of the shots are shaky. There's a lot of shot na gusto ko because the location was very, what you call this, malawak yung venue. There's
Spacious.
plenty room to play with camera motions, using gimbal. So yun nga, I should have brought my gimbal. So for me, I suggest na bring all the things na magagamit nyo. I mean, if transportation is not an issue, mas maganda dalhin nyo na everything para just in case, sa case ko, ang dami kong gears na nakalimutan.
Well, pero totoo, I agree with the fact na kailangan, parang dun sa part ng extra step. Kasi, kung parang, if I look back at your video, tapos syempre sa una, oh, this is good, this is nice, and shit. Pero kapag, siguro, pag pinanood mo ulit siya in a, parang in a better way. Parang kung hindi ko alam na it's your first time again to shoot, parang siguro, oo nga, makikita mo yung mga small details na yun. So, yeah, it's better to bring parang you're 100% every time you shoot.
So, ayun nga, moving forward dun sa video, as you can see din, yun sa treatment din ng video, one of the things na natutunan ko, I forgot the YouTuber, but I saw this one video, ang sabi niya sa video, once na matapos mo na yung video, editing, I mean, yung whole video mo, yung creative video mo, if wala namang hinahabol na deadline, hayaan mo muna. Simmer it down. Kasi on my experience dito sa video, yung kung nakita nyo yung motion graphics, hindi yun yung original plan ko. Yung even nung nag-shoot kami, hindi yun yung hindi yun talaga yung intention ko. So tinry kong sundan yung advice ng YouTuber na yun to
Slip on it.
yeah, hayaan mo muna yung video. Kalimutan mo muna, then balikan mo.
Simmer it down.
Simmer it down muna. Kasi once you saw the video ulit ng ibang mood, mag-iiba yung ano mo parang pag pinanood mo ulit siya in other time, para pag nakita mo, parang magandang lagyan ng ano dito. And that's what happened. So parang I saw this one video, it's very popular. I'm sure everyone knows this. Yung parang mga neon streak lights na animation. So if you want to learn about that, just tell me in the comment if gusto niyo ng tutorial about it. I can make one for the neon streak lights animation for After Effects. So let me know in the comments kung ano, and hit like if gusto niyo makita yung tutorial na yun. Napaka solid na experience yung BTS na yun. Actually, BTS lang talaga dapat yun. Pero again, kanina sinabi ko, I took a little extra step to make it more, you know,
You sprinkled something. It's not salty.
Sprinkled some masala,
Sexy masala
sexy
dress.
masala on
Powder.
on that video. Yeah. So
Spicy.
to make it more
hot.
spicy and chili hot. So again, shout out kay Brent, kay JKS, tsaka dun sa doong model namin. So thank you sa Anchor Point Studio. Napaka-solid. I mean, studio tour. Definitely, abangan nyo yun for Anchor Point Studio. So maraming salamat guys for hanging out with us. So sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video. If sa tingin nyo makakatulong tong video na to, if you know someone sa tingin nyo na makakatulong tong video na to, please do share this video to them. If may gusto kayong i-try namin na concept, just comment down below. Again, thanks for hanging out with us. I'm Jasper.
And I'm Crazy.
And this is Cinematic Creatives, and see you guys soon.
Adios.